So the one thing everyone gets told to do more of when they go to the dentist is floss. And as a pediatric dentist, it's pretty common for people to ask, should I be flossing my child's teeth and when should I start? Every child is different. Some kids have a lot of space, and as a dentist, we love seeing that so that there's a lot of room for those permanent teeth to come in. For those children with the spacing between those baby teeth, you just want to get them used to the idea of flossing. So it's not something that has to be every day, but you want to build up to that point. Other kids have what people and our society views as perfect smiles, where there's no spacing. Those are the kids where you want to get a floss in there as soon as possible to prevent cavities. When teeth are really close together, it's more likely for food to get caught and plaque. That bacteria just can get stored there. So for those kids who have very tight spacing, you want to make sure that you clean that yucky stuff out. The next question that I always get is, how do you expect me to floss my 2-year-old? There are multiple tools out there to do that. One, there's these things called flossers. So some people call them floss picks, or they look like a little goalpost with a string of floss. Although a dental hygienist may say you can't do the best technique with that, if you can get a piece of string in between a tooth, I call you a winner. If you want to attempt the traditional floss, be my guest. You are more than welcome to try that as well. Is a water pick a good substitution for floss? Unfortunately, I would say no. You want to make sure that you use string to get in between each of those teeth individually. When should you floss? Because toothbrushing, the most important time of day, is night. But with flossing, you can do it whenever it's convenient for you. You don't have to have a sink. So if you want to sit in front of a TV or have your child watch one of their favorite shows while you're doing it, that may be a great distraction. At the end of the day, we want your child to have great oral hygiene habits. And one of those things is floss. So my advice to you, start today.